Hey guys, thank you for watching again on my channel. Today we are going to unbox another special product, which is this one, the USB connector micro USB OTG. It has, just like the other unboxing that we did, it has a very simple box. So micro USB OTG for your smartphone and pad. I don't know what the hell is a pad. UDIS, card reader, camera, keyboard, and mouse. You can see this is a micro USB 2.0 OTG. At the back of the cover, description apply to the OTG smartphones, OTG tablets, and UDIS or card. So, going to secret to unboxing. Go. It's that simple. So this is it, the micro 2.0 OTG USB. This is very light and very handy. It has a USB port here, and then you can put your Android device here. It's that simple. So that is one of our quickest unboxing. Thank you for watching.